Today we're going to go ahead and remove the center section of the dash from this 2003 Wrangler TJ. This does not have the ashtray, so there is no third screw behind the ashtray. This only has 2 screws to remove this entire section. But first we need to remove this section of dash that runs the entire length behind the windshield. This is super easy to remove. All you have to do is pick either end, kind of reach up behind the end, pull it forward, go to the other side, same thing, pull it back and forward. You'll have one more pressure clip in the center, pull it straight up, and that section is removed. No hardware required. Let's get that out of the way. These are the only 2 screws you're going to have to worry about. With those removed, you can just go ahead and grab the top of that center section, pry it up and forward with your fingertips, and it'll pop loose. Work your way down on both sides. You'll have 2 more pressure clips, one down here at the bottom on each side, and one roughly level with where your radio is. And there you go. The entire section just pops right out. Only 2 screws hold this dash in. Now you've got free access to all your heating and air conditioning controls and your radio if you need to. That's it. Maybe this video helped you, maybe it didn't. If it did, you know I'd appreciate that thumbs up like. Feel free to follow us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.